Chicken nuggets, everyone's favorite way to eat chicken, especially kids. And today we're making it gluten-free and healthy for you and your family coming up. Hey, howdy folks, Raquel Castillo-Olsey here with Happy Healthy People, helping you go farther and quicker in healing yourself naturally. And today we're making good old chicken nuggets, and we're going to show you how to make them gluten-free, quick, and easy. You know, giving up the 12 bad foods can be very restrictive and depressing, especially when fun and tasty finger foods like chicken nuggets are on the list, because they're breaded with gluten full wheat flour and fried in oil. So today we are going to get around all that and make them just as tasty as their less than healthy counterparts. Here's what you're going to need. A package of boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into 1 to 2 inch sized pieces. 2 to 3 eggs. Your choice of either gluten-free panko style coating, gluten-free breadcrumbs, or coconut flour. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of paprika. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And lard. Yes, lard. Just about all of the gluten-free chicken nugget videos I've seen call for frying the nuggets in some kind of oil. This makes the chicken nuggets only half healthy because oil is an oxidized substance and creates acrylamide when heated. Lard does not do this. If you'd like to see the difference between using lard versus oil, I'll put the link to that video up here in the card or in the description below. Now let's get started. Rinse the chicken breasts, then pat dry with a paper towel and cut them into roughly 1 to 2 inch nugget-sized pieces. They don't have to be perfect. Now, take a bowl and crack 2 or 3 eggs. Hand beat the eggs and set it aside. In a second bowl, combine either the panko coating, the breadcrumbs, or the coconut flour with the seasonings. About half a cup if you use coconut flour, or about 1 cup if you use the panko or breadcrumbs. We like ours crispy. The panko gives you extra crispy nuggets. The breadcrumbs give you crispy nuggets, and the coconut flour gives you a slightly crispy texture. We're using breadcrumbs for our nuggets today. First, dip the chicken pieces into the egg wash, then dip them into the breadcrumb mixture. Make sure that all the sides are coated. While you're coating the chicken, take 3 to 4 heaping scoops of lard and place them in your frying pan, and turn the heat up to medium. The melted lard should fill up about half of a 10-inch frying pan. Test to make sure the lard is hot enough for frying. I just put a drop of the egg wash in the lard to see if it sizzles and rises to the top. When the lard is warm enough, place the nuggets in the lard and pan fry them, about 2 to 3 minutes per side or until each side is golden brown. Remove the nuggets from the pan and place them on a paper towel-lined plate. Let them cool a bit and then serve. And that's it! Crispy, crunchy, yummy chicken nuggets with no gluten and no oil. And the best part is, you can't taste the difference between this version and the regular wheat flour coating fried in oil. Your tummy is going to thank you for this one. Folks, avoiding the 12 bad foods is only half of the puzzle to healing yourself naturally. If you're looking for a simple program that helps you avoid the 12 bad foods and puts you on the path to better your health, it's all available for you over at happyhealthypeople.net. And if you found this video helpful, leave your comments and thumbs up below. Let us know what you want us to cover or cook next. We'll do that for you in the days and weeks ahead. And if you haven't done it already, please make sure you click subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video when we put one out. So thanks for checking out this video. definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Until next time, Happy Healthy People is helping you go farther and quicker in healing yourself naturally. Keep moving forward, and we'll talk soon.